again back with another video. Today I will show you the presence of starch in potato with the help of iodine solution. So let's start. Firstly, take a potato slice and a cucumber slice. Put few drops of iodine solution on the potato slice and a cucumber slice. You will see potato change in blue-black color, but there is no change in cucumber. This is because starch is present in potato but absent in cucumber. From this activity, you can check the presence of starch in other food items. Hope you will like this video. Now we will meet in next video. Till then,